Hello and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. In our modern world, it often feels like bigger is better. But what if I told you that a smaller home could actually bring you more joy? Today, we're diving into the top 10 reasons why you'll be happier in a smaller home. Get ready to discover a life with less stress and more joy. Imagine this. You wake up on a Saturday morning, sunlight streaming through your windows, filling your home with a warm, golden glow. But instead of dreading a full day of cleaning, you feel a sense of lightness and ease, knowing that your tasks are manageable. That's the beauty of a smaller home. It offers a unique charm and coziness that larger homes often lack. With less square footage, cleaning becomes a breeze, not a chore. You can move from room to room effortlessly, making the entire process swift and efficient. You can quickly dust surfaces, vacuum floors, and tidy up without feeling overwhelmed. Every corner of your home is within easy reach. Think of all the time you'll save. Hours that would have been spent on endless cleaning can now be reclaimed. Time you can spend pursuing your passions, connecting with loved ones, or diving into hobbies that bring you joy. Imagine the joy of spending quality time with your family in a clean, organized space, free from the stress of constant upkeep. A smaller home allows you to reclaim your precious time and find joy in the simplicity of a well-kept space. It's about creating a sanctuary where you can truly relax and enjoy life's simple pleasures. Let's talk about the positive impact a smaller home can have on your finances. Downsizing can be a game changer, offering a multitude of financial benefits that can significantly improve your quality of life. A smaller mortgage payment can lift a huge weight off your shoulders, freeing up your budget for things that truly spark joy. Imagine the relief of having more disposable income each month, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you and your family. Imagine the possibilities. You could finally take that dream vacation you've always dreamed of, invest in your passions and hobbies, or even start a new venture. The financial freedom that comes with a smaller home opens up a world of opportunities, or simply enjoy greater peace of mind knowing you have financial breathing room. The reduced financial stress can lead to a happier, more relaxed lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy the little things in life. Lower utility bills are another wonderful perk. With a smaller home, you'll find that your monthly expenses for heating, cooling, and electricity are significantly reduced. Heating and cooling a smaller space requires less energy, resulting in significant savings over time. This not only benefits your wallet, but also has a positive impact on the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. And let's not forget about property taxes. Smaller homes typically come with lower property tax bills, which can add up to substantial savings over the years. These too are generally lower for smaller homes, putting even more money back in your pocket. All these financial benefits combined can lead to a more fulfilling and stress-free life, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Downsizing to a smaller home encourages a lifestyle shift towards minimalism, and that can be incredibly freeing. With less space, you're prompted to take a closer look at your belongings and ask yourself the important question: does this spark joy? If it doesn't, it's time to let it go with gratitude. Embrace the freedom of owning less and living more intentionally. Surround yourself only with items that hold true meaning and purpose. You'll be amazed by the sense of lightness and clarity this creates in your home and in your life. Remember, minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about making room for what truly matters. Choosing a smaller home is a wonderful way to reduce your environmental footprint. These homes require fewer resources to build and maintain, making them a more sustainable choice. With less space to heat and cool, you'll also consume less energy, resulting in lower greenhouse gas emissions. Imagine the positive impact we could make if we all embraced a more mindful approach to our living spaces. By choosing to live smaller, we contribute to a healthier planet for ourselves and for generations to come. It's a beautiful way to align our values with our actions and live in greater harmony with nature. Don't let the size fool you. Smaller homes can be incredibly cozy and inviting. Imagine snuggling up with a good book in a sun-drenched reading nook, the warmth of the space enveloping you like a warm hug. Smaller homes have a way of making every corner feel special and intimate. They encourage a sense of togetherness where conversations flow easily and laughter fills the air. You can create a warm and inviting atmosphere with soft textures, warm lighting, and meaningful decor. Let your personality shine through and transform your smaller home into a haven of comfort and joy. In a smaller home, family members naturally spend more time together. It's a wonderful opportunity to strengthen those bonds and create lasting memories. Imagine family game nights gathered around the table, laughter echoing through the house, or cozy movie nights snuggled up on the sofa, sharing popcorn and stories. Living in closer quarters fosters a sense of togetherness and encourages open communication. It creates a space where children feel safe and loved, and where families can reconnect and create cherished traditions. A smaller home can become the foundation for a happy and connected family life. Chapter 7. Reduced stress levels. In this chapter, we explore how living in a smaller, more organized space can significantly reduce your stress levels. Clutter has a way of weighing us down, both physically and mentally. It creates chaos in our environment and in our minds, making it difficult to focus and relax. One of the greatest gifts of a smaller home is the opportunity to create a clutter-free environment. With less space, you are encouraged to keep only what truly matters, leading to a more organized and serene living space. With less space to fill, you're more likely to be mindful of what you bring into your home. Each item is chosen with intention, ensuring that it serves a purpose and adds value to your life. Imagine walking through your front door each day and being greeted by a sense of calm and order. The absence of clutter allows you to immediately feel at ease and at peace. A clutter-free home allows your mind to relax and unwind. It provides a sanctuary where you can escape from the stresses of the outside world and find tranquility. It reduces visual distractions, promotes feelings of peace, and allows you to fully appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. The simplicity of a small, well-organized home can be incredibly soothing. In a smaller, more intentional space, you can finally breathe easy and let go of the stress that clutter brings. The simplicity and order of your home will reflect in your state of mind, leading to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. When you have less space, you naturally become more organized. It's easier to find a designated spot for everything and to keep things tidy. Imagine opening your drawers to find neatly folded clothes and knowing exactly where to find your favorite scarf. A smaller home encourages you to embrace smart storage solutions and to be creative with your space. You'll discover the joy of maximizing every nook and cranny, creating a home that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And the best part, once you experience the bliss of an organized home, you'll never want to go back. Smaller homes often come with a delightful bonus: more outdoor living space. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a charming patio, surrounded by lush greenery, or hosting summer barbecues with friends and family in a spacious backyard. With less square footage inside, you'll naturally be drawn to the outdoors to soak up the sunshine and fresh air. It's an opportunity to create an inviting outdoor oasis where you can relax, recharge, and connect with nature. Embrace the beauty of outdoor living and let your smaller home become your gateway to a more fulfilling lifestyle. Remember those financial savings we talked about? Well, here's where it gets really exciting. The money you save by living in a smaller home can fuel your wanderlust and allow you to explore the world. Imagine trekking through ancient ruins in Greece, sampling exotic cuisine in Thailand, or simply enjoying a change of scenery in a charming European village. Downsizing your home can open up a world of travel possibilities. You'll have the freedom to satisfy your adventurous spirit and create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let your smaller home be the launching pad for unforgettable experiences. As we've discovered, downsizing to a smaller home can lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. From financial freedom and environmental responsibility to stronger family bonds and reduced stress levels, the benefits are truly life-changing. I encourage you to embrace the joy of less and consider the positive impact a smaller home could have on your well-being. Remember, sometimes less is more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.